Today I'm gonna open my Christmas presents. So I will start with this. To Monic, love.
What is it? Let's see.
Wow!
It's a
Nail polish.
It's a nail polish. It has
nail polish with
with designer nails.
yeah.
So next I will open this one. It's from
Tito Guapo.
Papa.
It's a dress.
Oh, that's a napkin. That's a napkin.
Yes.
It's from Nina and Chrissy. Wow! Wow! It's so nice. I'm gonna open this. Dear Monique, always eat your veggies. Be a good girl. Always. Santa.
Wow.
Remember that, veggie.
Yeah, because you only eat veggies in Senegal.
Okay, let's open it. Wow!
What's that?
A baby!
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open.
Is it from Santa as well?
It's from Santa. It says Monique. Okay, so let's open it.
Oh, I think it's a. I think I know.
It's a stroller. I wanted it.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was a stroller.
What's a stroller? It's a stroller. I said I wanted a baby and a stroller. I want the blue strollers.
Wow.
Can I have one?
You can borrow.
And this is from Mommy and Tata.
Wow.
Open the box.
Okay, I like this box. Wow! That's
Wait, can you see?
It's a dress with a jumper on it. And also, I also got this dress.
Wow.
Nice.
The last one, this is